detail painting. But now we can move on to that bit now, which you can't see it, but there it is, it's the back bit. Now I could use a plastic part, but the photo etch part is here. Already there, I've cut that out earlier, so that's done. So what we've got to do is go for the kit part. That is the kit part, and it's D24. I think it's over here. Here's D. We're looking for 24. Oh, there it is. And a bracket, but what does the PE say do? Let's put that over there again out of the way. Oops. I'll put that over there now because that's drying. You can actually sit that one on it so it doesn't blow away. There you go. So what we've got to do now is, oh, there it is, and that's what you've got to do. So we've got to get the brackets. So we've got to get 8 and 8, so there's 2 8s, and we've got to cut these bits off, and the other bit 17 P bits, they go to the back. So that's the front, and they slide to the back. So that's okay. So what we've got to do now is get the 2 number 8s. There we go. 2 number 28s, and where's my, oh there is my chisel. 2 28s, got to find them. Eights, I should have said. Don't know why I said that. 6 6 6. Oh, well, there are the 8s, just there, just there. So we're doing that, and get this done now. One. Positive bit on one side, the other one weren't quite so positive. That's why I had trouble getting it off. So there we go. So that's those 2 bits. Now we've got to get the plastic bit and get those circular bits off on that side. Now I'm wondering how to do that. Right, so I'll switch off. I'm going to decide how to get them off. Right, what I'm going to be doing is bending this over. I've found a way I can get that bit off. I'm going to make sure this is going to be strong enough, because if it's not, I'm going to use a kit part because I don't want it to keep breaking off. So what we're going to do is get my, oh there it is, this part here, and put some super glue on one of these, which is here, and then we're going to fold it over. Done. Do the next one. Bit of glue on there. Fold it over. And do it. And it's done. So that's okay. We've got that done. Now we've got to do, just I've covered it over. You can see that now. Now we've got to do this bit. and this bit goes around the back, so that this is not going to be very strong, I don't think. There isn't even any lines on it to say where you've got to fold it to. So it's round the back anyway, so it's 2. So you've got to get that lined up. So it's got, looks like it's got 2 bolts there down. So if I do, that's the back. If I do 2 like that, do the other one the same. Yeah, a bit nearer that is. This isn't going to be very strong, so it might be a better idea to leave that alone. What I can do though is thin this out. I don't know. Look, I'll just carry on. So it's going to be like, oops, got the wrong way. So what we're going to do is put it on the back. We'll give it a go. What was that? And it's got to come. Oops, wrong way round. Silly me. One done. Now we've got to do the other one. And I've got a feeling it's got to be somewhere around there. So let's give it a go. Done. Right, let's leave that to dry now a little bit. I'll come back. Well, I'm going to use a plastic card. I've knocked out a bit of detailed on the back to say it's not seen the old mold marks, and it goes in there and it's going to be stronger. And I can't, this bit here, I don't think it's going to be strong at all because it's the thing. Unless I put some other second thoughts. No, I don't know. No, I can't. Right, let's just do a little test. No, I'm not going to use it. It just look, you just touch it and it bends. So it's going to be just touch that and woof. So we will go with the kit part. And sorry about that, but I can't see the point in doing something that's going to just touch it and it's going to break. So, and this will be stronger. There you go, and it's on. And I was going to cut it off with the bits off with this razor saw, but won't do that now. Quite pleased with that in some ways, and not in other ways. Unless I actually did brackets, different brackets for this, and it would have been nice and thin. See, they come off straight away, so I don't think it's a worthwhile task, but that's going to be okay. There's not one on the Bovington tank, and I must admit that it's missing from that area, but we've got it there. I'll just put a little bit more glue on it, just to make sure. There you go. Done. So we're done now. So now, I'll move that out of the way. I've put that over there out of the way. We've now done that bit there. I've cleaned, as I said, there was a bit of a mould mark on the back and I've sanded that off, so that's okay. So we've done that. So we go to the other side, see what we've got to do. Now we've done that, and now we talk about this, the lights. Oh, and these bits here. And they got PE that goes into it. So they're the hatches. There are two hatches on the front tank. On the tank itself, the armour goes down here inside, but there's a two cabinets, one on either side. So what we do is we have a look at those parts and see where they are. And the parts are 12 and 11. So 12 and 11. So let's have a look, see where they are. Not on there, no they're not. I bet they're on that. Do they do? No, they're C. So, on the C. Oops, excuse me. Here it is. And there's the C. So they go in there, this way. And there's a little handle goes on there, and I've got a bit of photo etch for that. So I can do that as well. Right, so get this off, then you can't go wrong with these. I'll just cut it off again. And then we'll be not very long before we work back on the turret. Working on the turret, I should say, not working back on it. Right. 1, 2. Oh, the mould marks on the inside, so. So what I'm going to do is do one, cut that bit off, and cut that bit off. And cut that bit off. That leaves me with 2. So I can work with it to get the LP bit on first, once I do it. Right, so that goes in here with those sides, so we leave that like that. And that's me done for a little while now. I'm not mucking about, a bit of super glue in there, I have to throw away the pot in a minute. Right. So, just gonna clean the old desk up a little bit, get ready for the next bit. See you in a little while.